Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a frankincense firming toner. It's a super simple DIY beauty treatment that you can do ahead of time and then store in the fridge and then use accordingly whenever you want. So this toner is super simple. All you will need is frankincense resin as well as rose water. If you do not have rose water, you can just use normal distilled water, but rose water works great because it also gives it that really nice floral smell, as well as has a lot of beauty benefits, and it helps to tone, it helps to firm, it helps to just get rid of any discoloration going on in the skin. So this is safe for both the face and the body. Just make sure you keep it away from the eye area as much as possible. So here I'm just adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of frankincense resin as well as rose water. So the trick here is to let the rose water infuse with the frankincense resin for about 8 hours or overnight, and then just with the time it will turn into a milky consistency, very sticky, and you will be able to use it. Just transfer it to a little spray bottle, store it in the fridge. Then simply just after removing your makeup off just before bed, just spray it on the face or any area that you want to tone in your body. Spray it on the area and then moisturize. Make sure you moisturize after it dries from your face or from the area that you want to tone, because it does really dry out the area. It's very drying, so make sure you moisturize afterwards. And this beauty treatment has been a staple in Mediterranean homes. It's one of the Middle Eastern beauty tricks out there. They really rely on frankincense in many of their DIY beauty treatments, and I'll be sharing more recipes if you're interested with frankincense. I will also share a link to buy frankincense resin in bulk from the place that I do purchase it online, which offers free worldwide delivery. Just let me know if you're interested in more DIY beauty treatments, and I would love to share them with you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. We do share beauty recipes, meal planning, anything to do with DIY simple and easy, tried and tested recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.